Samsung could be preparing one of the most noticeable design changes to its Ultra lineup yet. According to recent leaks, the upcoming Galaxy S27 Ultra may move away from Samsung's familiar individual camera lenses and introduce a completely new horizontal camera bar on the rear. For years, Samsung's Ultra smartphones have been instantly recognizable thanks to their vertically arranged camera lenses. But the Galaxy S27 Ultra could completely change that identity with a wider camera module stretching across the upper section of the back. Instead of having separate lenses positioned one below another, Samsung may integrate the cameras into a horizontal bar. This could give the phone a cleaner, more unified appearance and make it look significantly different from the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Interestingly, Samsung has experimented with horizontal camera arrangements before. Other smartphone manufacturers have also adopted similar designs, so this move could reflect a broader industry trend. However, Samsung could still give the concept its own distinctive appearance. More importantly, the camera bar might offer benefits beyond aesthetics. One potential advantage could be improved stability when the phone is placed on a flat surface. Large camera sensors and lenses can cause modern smartphones to wobble when resting on a table. A wider camera module could potentially distribute the camera bump more evenly across the rear panel, reducing that rocking effect. There could also be implications for accessories. Magnetic attachments and wireless charging accessories are becoming increasingly common. A redesigned rear structure could potentially give Samsung more flexibility in integrating magnetic components or improving compatibility with future accessories. However, it is still too early to know exactly how Samsung might approach this. The new design could also be connected to improvements in the camera hardware itself. Reports indicate that Samsung may be developing a new main camera sensor for the Galaxy S27 Ultra. If that turns out to be accurate, the horizontal camera bar would represent more than just a visual redesign. It could provide a new housing for an upgraded camera system capable of delivering better detail, improved dynamic range, and stronger low-light performance. That could make the S27 Ultra feel like a more substantial upgrade rather than another routine yearly refresh. However, it is important to remain cautious. The current information is based on leaks, alleged design documents, prototypes, and supply chain reports. These sources can provide clues about Samsung's development plans, but they do not guarantee what will appear on the final retail device. Samsung could still modify the camera arrangement, change the body design, or abandon the concept entirely before launch. Smartphone prototypes often go through multiple design stages before reaching production. If the horizontal camera bar becomes official, though, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could have a completely different visual identity. A bold redesign could also help Samsung compete in a market where smartphone manufacturers are increasingly experimenting with distinctive camera layouts. If Samsung combines the new appearance with meaningful improvements to the cameras, performance, battery, and software, the S27 Ultra could become one of its most interesting flagship phones in years. The real question is whether Samsung can make the redesign genuinely useful instead of simply making the phone look different. For now, the Galaxy S27 Ultra remains surrounded by rumors, so none of these details should be considered confirmed. But if the reports are accurate, Samsung may be preparing an Ultra flagship that looks very different from its recent predecessors. And the camera redesign could only be the beginning. As more leaks and reports emerge, Samsung's plans should become clearer. If the company successfully combines this fresh design with major hardware and software improvements, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could deliver a much more significant upgrade than expected. What do you think about Samsung switching to a horizontal camera bar? Would this design make the Galaxy S27 Ultra look better, or do you prefer the current camera layout? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more updates on the Galaxy S27 Ultra and the latest smartphone leaks, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update.